It's a myth that when a mother she reaches in her 30s, it becomes difficult for her to lose weight. I have seen many mothers they keep on saying up though it is very difficult because I have reached in my 30s or late 30s. So now it will be very much difficult for me to lose weight. From where you have heard it? From where you have read it? Must be from some articles or somebody must have told you. These comments and those articles are being intentionally created so that you can buy some pills from them. That can be fat burners, that can be some diuretics, and you'll end up with some disease, some kidney problems, some migraines, some headaches. So today I'm going to share six important things which you can apply in your life. You can simply lose your weight, and not only that, it is important because sustain with a healthy weight. That is important. So what I want you to have a pen and paper with you so that you can keep on writing those 6 points and just keep on checking whether you are maintaining all those 6 things or not. And I'm quite sure if you're a mother and you are little bit struggling with your weight loss journey, then you are not following some of them or none of them. So let's start with the journey. But before that, I'd like to tell you my name is Kaushik Datta. I'm a father of a strong son, husband of a beautiful woman, a fitness enthusiast and fitness freak, a marine engineer turned into a lifestyle and mindset coach specialized in weight loss. I help mothers to get them back into shape and I help them to have a pill free life. I'm a founder of Beautiful Moms Hub. I'm on a mission to help 1 million mom to get them back into shape, help them to have a pill free life. And let me tell you one more thing. I have built a community which is growing really fast. That is Beautiful Moms Hub. Because I need a community where mothers will get transformed and they will help other mothers to transform. So I want you to be in my community so that you can transform yourself and you can inspire many other mothers. And that is my mission in life. So let's start the journey. Let's start learning. The number one reason, what I've observed, when they only focus for the appearance, if that becomes their only focus, I'm not saying it is bad, it is good. You want to look good to others, you want to appear in a better way, that is perfect. But you should not have the only thing in your mind. You want to lose weight just for the sake of appearance. Because what happens, when you start getting older, like 30, 40, and all, you start losing that urge, that appearing in a better way, appearing in a good shape. You start losing that. But so your approach should be in a holistical way because it should not come from externally. You should feel internally because you should be accountable to yourself, how you feel in your body. Do you respect your body? Do you have a body which is without any disease? Do you have a body which doesn't need any pill to live everyday life? That matters. And looking good, appearing good, that is just the byproduct. The second point, less vegetables and fruits in diet. Yeah, it happens. You just check. When first 2 weeks, I never do any correction on my client's diet. I just want to see what exactly they are having, and most of the times I see that salads, fruits, they are not even a part of their any single meal. So you need to add those vegetables then intentionally. One bowl of vegetables in your lunch, in dinner, salads. You have to put it intentionally. They are the source of your fiber. And if you don't have fibers in your body, you cannot assimilate the food what you are having. So they will get stored as fat. So you need to have vegetables and fruits in your body in a proper amount. The third one. Why it is getting stuck? Yeah, now it's okay. Sustainability matters, not speed. I don't want to name anyone, but I have seen many people they lost weight within 3 months, 2 months, 15 kgs, 20 kgs, but they are not able to maintain it. So just tell me what is the use of it? So I tell only one thing: lose your weight in such a manner so that you don't have to lose it again. I love that line because you should change some habit. Yes, I know that because changing some habits are difficult, and that is the reason I created a system which help people to change the habits. Because if you can change the habit, if those habits remain with you throughout your life, you don't have to check about your diets and all, because you don't have to focus so much about your foods, you don't have to so much focus about other activities. That will be automatic, that will be an auto mode. You will sustain with a good weight, good healthy weight, lose weight. The next one, priorities. You need to prioritize your health and happiness. Nowadays, when we start getting so much of responsibilities about our families, about a lot of things, we forget to observe that whether are we being happy. Are we prioritizing our happiness? Are we prioritizing our health? So we need to also check whether you are maintaining a good health, and for that whatever things are necessary, are we doing all those things? Are we happy whatever we are doing? So we need to find out all those things. Fifth one, avoid restrictive and fat diets. You don't need that actually. The diet which will tell you each and every time how much calories you need to eat, what you need to eat, what you cannot have, that is not a diet. That is not a diet. You can have it, you can continue it, might be for 3 months. You cannot have it throughout your life. Which you cannot continue for the rest of your life. That is not a diet. You should maintain a diet which you can have throughout your life. So I tell each and everybody, don't go for a restrictive diet. The next one is get your vitamin D checked. It is very important. I get it checked whenever I do my first clarity call with in my beautiful mom's hub community. I get that vitamin D checked, and you'll be surprised that almost 70% I have found that their vitamin D level is low. So you need to get your vitamin D checked, and it should be around 30 to 60. That is the normal range for anyone, women, men. It's for the normal range. So you need to get it checked. Now I'll share the tip. If you have a lower vitamin D, how you can elevate it. That is the tip which I'm going to share with you. That is free of cost. It don't cost you anything, and nobody is talking about it because that is free. There is no value of marketing, right? That is sun gazing. Sun gazing is a very effective tool which you can use to elevate your vitamin D, which will elevate your mood, which will also help you to lose your fat. Now, how to do that? So, you can use it to elevate your vitamin D and indirectly your fat loss. How to do that? You can use simply the first hour or the last hour. Just look at the sun. Try to look at the sun 30 seconds or 40 seconds. Then close your eyes and feel that warmness. And again after 30-40 seconds, again open your eyes and just look at the sun, and just close your eyes after 30 seconds. You can continue it for 5 to 10 minutes every day. If you can do it every day, you'll start creating a bond with sun. So now you have got an action point. So now if you're a mother and you are really struggling with your life, we have a group, we have a community that is called Beautiful Moms Hub. And recently in this Sunday I'm going to conduct our webinar. So these two links, your Beautiful Moms Hub group link and my webinar link, will be given below. You can join there. You can enjoy that webinar. That will be a 90 minutes webinar where you will get three secrets where what I share with my community. So you'll be amazed that weight loss is not only about that diet. It's not only about that workout. It's more than something. And if you can follow that, you can sustain that with a peace of mind. And I would like to have you in my community. Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Actually, I'm